books on the maker as he brushes her long, long hair. And she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. And everyone turned to see this beautiful lady. Yet she walking around with me. And she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder it all if that you just don't realize how much I love you. Go home now, and I am a aching head, so I give her the car key, and she helped me to bed, and I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you're so wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you're so wonderful tonight.